first crush 6 Biscoff biscuit. I'm using a rolling pin, but you can grind them too. Add them to a bowl. Then add 15 gram of melted butter and mix well. Transfer the mix to a cake tin with removable base. It will be easier to unmold later. Press it firmly. Keep aside or bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 4 to 5 minutes for a crispier base. For making cheesecake batter, in a bowl take 105 gram of room temperature cream cheese. Add 20 gram icing sugar. Mix until smooth. Add 38 gram of fresh cream, 25 gram condensed milk. Mix again. Now the star, 25 gram of Biscoff spread. Stir until lump free. In a separate bowl, mix half tablespoon of corn flour with a few spoons of the cheesecake batter. This keeps it smooth when added back in. Now add it to the batter and mix. Pour the batter over the base. Let it cool first if baked. You can also sieve the batter if there are any lumps. Set up a double boiler. You don't need to wrap a foil with this setup. Pour hot water into the larger pan. Make sure it doesn't touch the cheesecake. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 21 to 24 minutes. The edges should be set. Center should jiggle slightly. See how beautifully our cheesecake have baked. Now keep it back in the oven. Turn it off. Keep the door slightly open and let it cool completely. Then refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. For demolding, run a knife along the edges. Unmold gently. For decorating, top it with a thin layer of Biscoff spread. Sprinkle crushed biscuits along the edges. And finish with a whole Biscoff on top. Here it is, our Baked Eggless Biscoff Cheesecake. Let's slice in and look at that creamy center. If you enjoy the recipe, like, share and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi and this is where eggless baking always delivers.